This is a short video on Dylect Pressure Washer. You need to buy one of these quick release to attach it to your tap. One comes along with it. It's a handy gun come with it. Connect both the quick release adapters to both end of the hose pipe and then connect one in the machine and one to the tap. Here's how you connect the gun with the machine. I use WaveX Auto Care shampoo and this 1 liter foam cannon from Sakti. I use 250 ml of WaveX to 1 liter of water. Links of all the products will be given in the description below. Now make sure you don't have tangles the pipe, otherwise the motor will not get pressure. Now this step is very important. Make sure you don't have vacuum within the system, only then turn on the machine. Otherwise the motor may damage. As you can see, we get continuous pressure in the gun. Now it's time to turn on the machine. The initial few seconds the motor will tend to pressurize the water. It's normal. Now it's a steady flow and you're ready to wash your vehicle. Now you have to be very careful while operating this machine. This is very dangerous machine, I would say. Do not point directly towards any pet or animals or human beings or your body parts or any delicate parts of your motorcycle. Always use it in the lowest pressure possible. Now first I'll spray all over the bike to agitate the stubborn grease and muds. Then I'll use the foam cannon. The best part of this shampoo is doesn't leave any residue or any watermarks on the vehicle after you cleaned it and dried out. With 1 liter of this composition, I can wash this bike twice. Now I'll use a paintbrush to reach out the places where my hand can't reach. Then I'll wash it off with clean water again, and then I'll use a microfiber towel to wipe it out. And the best part of this shampoo is that you don't need any wax ball or car polish as such, because this shampoo does a wonderful job creating a polished surface. As you can see, bike looks brand new, no stains, only clean bike. Now washing is done, but one most important part is still left to do, that is rust protection. If you need to learn more about how I prevent rust, watch this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. If you want to buy anything that has been mentioned in this video, the links will be given in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.